Microsoft says Windows 11 File Explorer ads were not intended to be published externally. File Explorer ads? What's going on, Will?
For Windows 11, they might have ads in the File Explorer, like a banner of some sort.
No.
Is what they're planning.
No, you can't do it in the OS.
Yeah.
No,
I agree with you.
It's an operating system.
Mm-hmm.
Microsoft appears to be testing a new type of ad inside File Explorer on Windows 11. Microsoft MVP and Twitter user Florian Beaubois discovered an ad in the latest test build of Windows 11, prompting users to check out the Microsoft editor. While the ads might have appeared for some Windows 11 users, Microsoft says it was a mistake. You're damn right they said it's a mistake. They backed out of that one immediately. They're like, how'd that get in there? Oh, we didn't. That had nothing to do with us. Mm-hmm. Can't be somebody mistake. Good, because I don't think anyone would have received this positively or kindly. They got out ahead of it. Mm-hmm. I mean, as an experiment, okay, whatever. I don't know. You want to see what that would look like, or if it's at all possible, or if I guess you could offer a discounted version or something. I get it, but just not the OS. It's a website is one thing.
So the ad is for Microsoft Editor. It's an app within their ecosystem.
They're advertising one of their other apps. Yeah, but they're still saying it's a mistake. Mm-hmm. Because I think what it's a gateway. It's a gateway conversation that if they could put an ad for their own, what else can they put there?
Yeah, could be anything.
What other type of ads? What about they get into the more obnoxious ones?
Yeah.
People just don't want that going on. Although, here's the thing. You could maybe do another tier, but the problem is people would buy the cheaper one, and then the world would just be inundated with these subpar or affected operating systems. Mm-hmm. So, I don't know. My vote is not in the OS, but I do understand because Amazon has been doing it with some of the Kindle products. They go, you can get the ad-supported version for a lot less money, and that probably helps a lot of people. But you can imagine where that can go wrong or where that can get bad. You can imagine.
I can.